Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Magento 2 payment and shipping restriction. And in today's video tutorial, we'll be showing you how to assign the shipping and payment methods to a particular category, products, and how the payment and shipping methods can be mapped as well. So before we proceed further, let me give you an overview of this particular extension. So basically, using this module would allow the Magento 2 store owner to assign multiple payment methods to each of the available shipping methods within his web store. Depending upon the available shipping methods, the admin can map the shipping methods to each of the available payment methods as required. And at the front end, the customers, after selecting a shipping method, would get the mapped payment method for the chosen shipping method so as to complete their orders. So now let's get ahead and let's see how this extension works. So first we'll be going to the module configuration, then we'll be showing the mapping, and then how to assign the shipping and payment methods to a particular category and products, and lastly the workflow at the front end. So let me take you to the admin backend panel now. I'm at the Magento 2 admin backend panel right now, so I'll be tapping the sign in button to log in my admin account. And after login, we just need to navigate to the backend of the backend configuration of the installed module. So as this is just a demonstration, so you'd also be able to see some other modules added. So after the installation of this particular extension, you need to navigate to stores, configuration, and after that we need to navigate under the Webkul block. We'll find all the what we say as the modules listed. So here you'll find this shipping and payment restriction option. Here on the left hand side you have the shipping and payment restriction. So after you have installed this extension, you'll find the configuration settings by navigating through stores, configuration, and then under the Webkul block you need to check for the shipping and payment restriction. Just tap on it and this brings up the configuration settings for the Magento 2 payment and shipping restriction add-on. And here we have a single option, that's to enable or disable this particular module for use at the web store front end. So for the option enable module on front end, if you select this option as the yes, then the module will work accordingly. Otherwise, if you selected this as no, then the module would not work. And that's much about the main configuration settings. So after selecting this option as yes, we need to tap the save configuration button. After the configuration has been saved, now let's get ahead and now let's see how the admin would be able to map the payment methods to the available shipping methods within the module backend. So for that, what we need to do is we need to navigate to the payment shipping mapping, as you can see here on the left hand side panel here. So after you've installed this extension, you will have this menu option for the management of the extension itself. So we need to tap that up, and this brings the option for payment shipping mapping. So I'll just open it in a new tab for the time being, and this would bring up this section where we can find all of the what we say is the mappings that have been done between the shipping and the payment methods. So from here you can also delete the created mappings. So to create a new mapping, you can also tap on the top right hand side here on the add mapping button, and apart from that you will also be able to view the mappings by tapping the view option here. So let's see how the mapping can be done. For that, what I'll do is I'll just tap the add mapping button, and this would bring us the section where we have all of the payment and shipping methods visible. So here you can see that we have to select a shipping method, and we can also select the payment methods that can be applicable on that particular shipping method. So we'll just tap on the drop down menu option here, and we can see all the available and enabled shipping methods are visible here that are there within the Magento 2 web store there. And we also have the payment methods that are there within our store and which are enabled, as you can see here. So for example, if we go ahead and we choose the UPC, so if a customer chooses the United Parcel Services, then which payment methods would be available to that particular customer for completing the order. So for United Parcel Service, we can select the PayPal billing agreement and Webkul credit system, these two, and we can tap the save button thereafter. So you can choose multiple payment methods, and you can assign that those multiple payment methods to a single shipping method. So here you can see that the shipping method is UPS, create date and modified date, and we can tap the view button to check the exact mapping that we have done for this. So this brings up this section UPS. We have chosen the PayPal billing agreement and the Webkul credit system for this particular shipping method. Also, please note that the alright, I'll be talking about the priority of the category product and this particular what we say as the mappings that we have done. So when we get to the front end, at that time I'll let you know how that priority works. So so that was much how we can do the mapping of the shipping and the payment methods from the admin backend. Now let me show you how the admin would be able to set the payment and shipping methods for a product and the category. So first we'll go for the product. So what we'll do is we'll navigate to sales. Alright, I'm sorry for that. What we'll do is we need to navigate to the catalog section and then products. So here we have the complete catalog of Magento. So here we'll be able to assign the shipping and payment methods to any of the products that we have already created, or we can create a new product and add the same to that as well. So for now what we'll do is we'll just select a simple bag. For example, this Joss duffel bag is there. Let's edit this particular product to assign the shipping and payment methods. So accordingly, whenever the customer selects that particular shipping method, the assigned payment methods would be available for making the payment of that particular order there. So for example, we are here on the product page now. We need to scroll down a bit, and here we have this section that says select shipping and select payment. So for example, for this product, that's the Just duffel bag, what I'll do is I'll select the shipping method. So for example, if we select the free shipping for this particular order, so whenever a customer selects this shipping at the front end, he'll be provided with the allowed payment method. So we'll select cash on delivery, and we can choose one more. Let's select the PayPal billing agreement, and then we can just tap the save button to save this particular configuration. So that was how you can assign a particular shipping and the payment method to a particular product. Now let me go ahead and let me show you how we can do the same for a category that's there within our Magento 2 web store. So for that, what I'll do is I'll just navigate back a bit. Well, I'll go to catalog and I'll tap the categories submenu option, and this brings up the complete list of categories that are there within the Magento 2 web store. So so you can add the same for the new category as well, and for the ones that have already been created. For example, for the category women, I'll choose the women first. The particular settings for this particular category. So we need to scroll down, and we have this option that says Webkul shipping and payment restriction. We need to tap that up, and this brings the shipping and payment methods. So we can choose a flat rate for this category, complete category, and we can select the bank transfer payment as the mode of payment for this particular category. We can also select a single shipping or a multiple shipping method, and we can also choose the multiple payment methods for the same. And after that, we can just tap the save button to save this particular configuration, and accordingly the customers would then be able to select the available shipping methods, and the respective payment methods would be produced or would be shown up, so that the customers would be able to complete the particular orders. So that was how to add the mapping, then the shipping and payment methods to the product and category. So that was about the configuration part of this extension. And now let me take you to the web store front end, and let's show you how this particular extension works at the front end. So here I am at the web store front end, and I had already added the free shipping for this particular bag. That's the just duffel bag, and I'd assigned cash on delivery and startup payment for this. So let me go ahead and let me proceed to checkout, and let's see, after selecting the free shipping for this particular product, what different payment methods are visible to the customers for completing this particular purchase. So as you can see that the free shipping is available for this, and tapping the next button brings up the review and payment section, where you can see the cash on delivery and the pay tabs are the payment method as well. And the customer can select the appropriate payment method so as to complete their payment for the order. So let me take you to the back end of the just duffel bag. So here you can see that we had selected the free shipping, and we had set cash on delivery and pay tabs started payment method for the just duffel bag. So the same payment methods are visible at the checkout, and the customer can place the order thereafter. Also now one more example for the checkout is that I had mapped the shipping and payment methods for the UPS shipping method, and I had assigned it to the particular category, and similarly I had also assigned the women category with the flat, best and free shipping methods, and accordingly I had assigned the bank transfer, cash on delivery and Webkul credit for the same. So I've added one product from the women category, and here I can see the flat rate is visible, best way, and the free shipping is also visible. And the ones that you can see here from the USPs, they are visible because I had also assigned or I had also applied the UPS shipping method for the same. So here the customer can select any of the shipping methods as required, and accordingly the enabled payment methods for the selected shipping method would be visible to the customer. So here you can see that we have the bank transfer payment, cash on delivery, Webkul credit. As I told you, I assigned this to the women category. Let me show you that. So here's the women category already selected with the pink highlight, and here's the Webkul. So I had set the flat, best and free shipping for this, and I had chosen the respective payment methods as bank transfer, cash on delivery and Webkul credit system, and the same are visible here as well at the checkout time. And lastly, the customer can place the order using the selected payment methods so as to complete their order. So that was much about the Magento 2 payment and shipping restriction extension, and hope it helped you out. If you have any questions or queries regarding this extension, then you can always get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you may raise a ticket at webkul.ubdesk.com. Thanks for watching this video, and have a great day ahead.